guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maisha. So today in this video I am going to be doing a flawless glam makeup look on myself using products under Rs.500. So when I started out, I also did not have the money to spend on MAC, Bobbi Brown, Estee Lauder, and that's when I started investing in affordable makeup, and that's when I realized that affordable makeup is good as well, and you can create a beautiful glam look using these products, and they are top quality. Today the products that I'm going to be showing you are definitely top quality, perform just as well as high-end makeup and will make you look beautiful. So if you're on a budget, this video is for you. So let's get started. I'm going to start by using the Mars Take a Glow Illuminating Primer and Stroke Cream, and I'm going to apply it on the perimeters of my face because I want my base to look glowy and hydrated. You see, it adds such a beautiful glow to my skin and it's hydrating as well, so it won't make my makeup look dry or crusty throughout the day and will give me this glow from within look. I really love this primer from Mars, and it's pretty lightweight too. And then on my T-zone, I'm going to go in with a pore filling primer. This is the Pore Minimizer Primer from Inside Cosmetics, and this actually helps in smoothing and filling in my pores, and that makes my makeup look extremely poreless. And this is a really great primer if you have oily skin and you suffer from large pores and your makeup turning oily throughout the day. This will keep your oils at bay and it will keep your makeup looking flawless all day. Now for my base, since we are doing a glam makeup routine, I'm going to be using a foundation. This is the Mars Zero Blend Weightless Foundation. This has medium to full coverage, and the shade that I use is 05 Biscotti Bliss. This foundation feels extremely lightweight on the skin, is very comfortable to wear. It will cover your redness, your pigmentation, your pimples beautifully, and it's pretty long lasting. I like to apply this particular foundation with a sponge. That's how you get the most natural skin-like finish, and I would say it's a medium coverage foundation, and you can build it up and make it full coverage as well, but it feels extremely lightweight, looks super smooth on the skin, and will cover up your redness, your darkness, your hyperpigmentation, basically any kind of pigmentation that you have on your skin beautifully and effortlessly, and it wears really well throughout the day. You can see the finish, it's very skin-like. It has this natural skin-like finish, not matte, not extremely glowy. It just looks very skin-like and it wears beautifully throughout the day without getting oily or cakey. To cover up my dark circles under my eyes, I am going to be using another product from Mars. This is their Conceal, and the shade that I use is 05, which is exactly the shade of my skin tone, and 04, which is like a highlighting shade for me. Now, I've spoken about this concealer quite a lot here. This is a beautiful medium to full coverage concealer, has a hydrating thin formula under the eyes, never creases, makes my under eyes look smooth and beautiful without creasing. And the formula is super easy to blend. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite makeup product ever. That's a cream blush. Now this is again from Mars. Mars makes amazing products. There's no doubt about it. Every product that I've used from Mars has never disappointed me, and these are really good. These are their Sugar Rush Liquid Blush, and these are my two favorite shades, Peach Pie and Pink Mousse. So I'm going to be applying this in combination and giving myself this gradient blush look. These are very pigmented, so you have to be very light-handed when you apply this, otherwise you might end up applying too much of it. They're very smooth in application, non-patchy, very pigmented, natural finish blushes. So pigmented. Just tone it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the shade Pink Mousse and I'm gonna apply just a little bit to the center of my cheeks. Now let's set this beautiful base with a setting powder. I'm using the PAT's translucent powder in 04. Now this powder has a yellow undertone, so this will help in brightening under my eyes. I just took some powder on my hands and I'm just smoothing the powder on the puff. Press this powder into my skin. Do you see that? It's a very lightweight, smoothing, blurring powder. Next, I'm going to shape and fill my brows using my current favorite brow pencil. This is from Character Cosmetics. This is their Fashion Brow in the shade Dark Brown. I love this one. I have literally gone through 3 of these. It has a super fine tip to draw hair-like strokes and fill it in, and it looks super natural. It's not extremely pigmented. It's one of the best formulas in a brow pencil that I have used. It is my ride or die eyebrow pencil to shape and groove my brows. For my eye makeup, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Inside Cosmetics. This is All Eyes on You. 15 multi-dimensional shades. Literally get everything in this. You can do so many different looks, like glam looks, wedding looks, anything that you want to do. This is an ideal eyeshadow palette for that, and its quality is really good. Like the mattes are pigmented, buttery smooth, and the shimmers are metallic. Okay, I'm using the shade Retro as my transition shade. And do you see that? It blends so easily and the mattes are very pigmented, buttery, smooth. Then I'm going to use this grey-black shade called as Prism, and I'm going to smoke out my outer corners. Then I'm going to brighten my eyelids a little bit with this bone shade called as Aurora. I'm going to take this retro shade again and smoke it out a little bit with my lower lash line. And then taking the shade Yin and highlighting my inner corners. Then I'm going to define and do like a smoky liner using this kajal from Rene. This is their kohl pencil in the shade Midnight. This is super pigmented, black, smudge proof, transfer proof, long lasting kajal. Just in the outer corner, I'm gonna line my waterline halfway. My makeup looks so beautiful. And then I'm gonna complete my eyes with mascara. For that, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I am using the waterproof version. This is such a beautiful mascara. It gives a lot of lift, length, and volume to your lashes, and it literally looks like I'm wearing falsies. It is a beautiful, non-flaky, long-lasting mascara. Look at my eyes, they look so defined and nice and smoky. I absolutely love it. Let's finish the rest of our face. Now, since I'm doing like a smoky eye, I need some warmth on my face, so I'm going to be using a bronzer. This one is from Makeup Revolution. This is their super bronzer, and this is in the shade, I think, Desert. And this is what it looks like. It's a very nice, buildable, smooth bronzer. It's not overly warm and it's not overly pigmented as well. It's a very natural looking bronzer. that will add just the right amount of warmth. I want to add a little bit more blush and highlighter to my cheeks. For that, I'm again using a product from Makeup Revolution. This is their Duo Blush and Highlighter in the shade Kindness. The blush on this is very pigmented, so just tap it a little and smooth the product out on the brush and remove the excess, and then I'll just tap it lightly on my cheeks and it will add the prettiest flush, and it's like a warm corally blush. And then I'm going to use the highlighter in this to highlight the highest points of my cheeks. Very smooth looking highlighter, non-chunky as you can see. And it has this beautiful golden undertone to it that complements my medium skin really well. I'm gonna lock this makeup in and melt all the powders and make it look more like skin using a setting spray. This is the Mars Seal the Deal Makeup Fixer. Now this has a very natural finish and will make my makeup budge proof and long lasting. And now let's complete the lips. I am going to be using the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Brown Mocha. This is one of the best lip liners. It is pigmented, long-lasting, smooth in application, and you get so many different shades for such a steal price. For lipstick, I have a new lipstick with me. This is from Hue. This is their Hydro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Biscotti Hottie, and I saw this and I was like, this is exactly the kind of nude that I like. So let's apply this on our lips. It's a beautiful pinky nude, as you can see. This is the finished look. You can see it looks glam, it looks flawless, it's stunning, beautiful, and no one can tell that you achieved this look using products that are under Rs.500. So you don't need to hoard your pocket and spend money on expensive makeup. You can achieve the exact same look using affordable makeup products. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys and I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you all did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.